Skoda TSI 230, and as you can see, the front bumper has been removed. And if you are having any issues at all with belts or charging, you can see it's pretty easy access. There's a whole open space on the passenger side of the engine that leads to the serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is on a tensioner that does have to be torqued back, but otherwise it's a very easy job if you're trying to do it on your own. You can access it from the bottom. There is a plate underneath it, plastic, covers the whole front bottom of the car, but there's these pins, and they can be removed to drop this whole plastic plate here all along the bottom down. That'll give you access to that belt there on the left hand side, so you don't necessarily need to attack it from the top. You can do it from either end. It's better honestly it's better to take it off from the top, but it's a pretty easy job. You can see the tensioner just barely there underneath the alternator. Pretty easy fix, very small belt. There's not a lot of accessories on this engine in particular, but we hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.